Yes, the consistency is perfect, exactly what we need for rapid growth.
The transcription must align with the user's intent expressed in the user prompt.
Scratch pecking toy. Guinea fowl peck at block, reduces feather pecking.
Guinea fowl engage in dust bathing to remove parasites and keep their feathers healthy. They vigorously toss sand over their wings.
Modern guinea fowl farms combine technology and care. These guinea fowls are very active today. We keep the temperature just right for them.
Look at the uniformity on these birds by the waterline. Yeah, I'm logging that now. They're right on target for the VT guidelines.
Welcome to the facility. As the guinea eggs move along the conveyor, they are meticulously sorted into small, medium, and large categories.
Placing this one gently, reading 18.4 grams, so delicate, and the next one is 19.1 grams.
We use an edible inkjet printer to stamp each guinea egg with the farm code and the date, ensuring traceability from our facility to your table.
The ultraviolet sensors scan for imperfections. And if a blood spot is found, it's immediately removed from the line.
The palletizer precisely stacks the guinea egg cases. Listen to the gentle hiss of the pneumatics and the soft thud of the cardboard.
Perfect crack. Notice the viscosity here and the deep, deep orange of this fresh yolk.
The chicken egg spreads out more while the guinea fowl egg stays compact with that deep orange yolk. Listen to that sizzle.
Guinea fowl eggs contain more protein and less cholesterol.
Daily mortality record, below 0.5% per house, industry standard.
$85 to $90%. That's excellent.
Look at this reading, exactly 0.5 millimeters.
Confirmed. The batch is approved.
The guinea fowl egg on the left is much smaller and speckled. Listen to the difference when tapped. We prioritize uniformity in our industrial process.
There you go, little ones, nice and warm. Look how fast they move. Week 2, and as you can see, the Keats have really grown their feathers. They're spreading their wings inside these larger pens.
Keep it quiet, they are settling down. Move to section 3. Understood, boss.
And that is 1.2 kilograms. Perfect weight.
The foot pad is clear, no signs of dermatitis. We can confidently score this a 0, perfectly healthy.
Keep them moving to the right. Okay, I got this side, hurry up. The temperature is holding steady at 58. Good, the feathers are loosening nicely on this batch.
Automated sequence initiated for Sector 3. Flow rate steady. Here at the facility, our trained workers carefully guide the guinea fowl along the line towards the electric stunner tunnel for efficient processing. We begin by placing the bird breast down. Now, using the scalpel, make a shallow cut along the sternum from neck to tail. 11V AC, 400 Hz, 10 seconds for humane stunning. This vacuum system ensures zero rupture during the evisceration process, maintaining sterility and efficiency.
See the bruising on this one? It needs to be segregated for re-inspection.
Yes, ma'am, we'll handle it.
Using the lung remover, the vacuum wand quickly and cleanly extracts the lungs from the guinea fowl. Place the bird breast side down. Take the knife and slowly slice along the center, right down the breastbone. Now gently pull the skin apart.
Grabbing the edge here and pulling back slowly, see how the skin just peels away cleanly, revealing the pink, feather-free breast meat underneath.
You push the skin down with the thumb, pulling it inside out. It peels cleanly, exposing the dark meat. The system has successfully identified contaminants, now activating the automated rejection sequence for the affected tray.
Okay, the chicken is exactly 500. Good. Now the guinea fowl. Oh, that's short. I'll adjust it. There we go, 500.
Phase balance is good, sensitivity checks out. Ready for shipment. The barcode is applied, followed by the expiry date. Freeze by plus 14 days.
All right, the vacuum seal is complete. Let's move the next one through.
From farm to freezer in under 24 hours.
We carefully inspect each one before it leaves the factory. Only the best for your table.
Carefully taking the sample with the scalpel, placing it into the sterile bag, sealing and labeling. This ensures the integrity of the sample.
Carefully measuring the thickness now, and the result is 0.33 millimeters.
The Hawk unit test confirms the quality. We measure the thick albumin, resulting in a score of 85+.
Water activity meter, a W0.99, ensures no microbial growth. Fat content, 4.2%. Lean meat certified.
As you can see, the robotic arm places the 12 packs directly into the cardboard case. This system minimizes human contact with the raw product.
Watch the tape dispenser alignment right here. Ah, I see how that works now.
The machine is running smoothly today. Listen to that seal, ensuring the VT standard is met on every pallet. This pallet is entering the blast freezer, which operates at minus 40 degrees Celsius. The process takes 4 hours until the core temperature reaches minus 18 degrees Celsius.
All incoming pallets are tagged with RFID for precise location tracking, even in this cold environment.
All right, lift that pallet and bring it straight to Bay 4. Copy that. Bay 4.
Minus 8 in Celsius confirmed. Bring the pallet straight in, easy on the hydraulics.
Make sure the ventilation holes are clear. Stack them tight. All right, almost done here.
Basted frequently to achieve the perfect golden color and ensure even cooking throughout the process.
Slicing the breast right here. Hear that crunch. The interior is incredibly moist.
Looks good. We're running smoothly at 200. Yeah, efficiency is high today.
This methane digester utilizes manure to produce clean biogas, which is then used for heating the barns you see in the distance.
Solid separator. The liquid manure goes to treatment, while the solids become compost.
The moisture content looks good here.
Yeah, the affiliate.
Yeah, the aeration is really effective. Make sure that seal is tight before it moves down the line. Got it. We're almost through this pallet. The process is simple and sustainable. The rotating drum breaks down the organic matter, and the result is this beautiful, nutrient-rich compost.
Check the dissolved oxygen levels over there. It's reading 3.5, right within the target range.
Everything is well within the parameters. The flow rate is optimized. Excellent work. The water quality is superb. Check the pressure on line 4. Reading steady, looks good.
Temperature probe in litter, maintained below 30 degrees Celsius to reduce ammonia.
We take the old trays and drop them right into the vat. See how quickly it breaks down. This is the recycled pulp we use again.
Yolk color fan, score 12 to 14, orange-red indicates high carotenoids.
Automatic alarm test sequence initiated. Warning, critical high levels detected. System alert, evacuate immediately. The demand for guinea fowl meat has risen sharply since 2010. We are projecting continued growth all the way up to 2026. Top 5 countries producing guinea fowl: France, Italy, USA, Brazil, South Africa. Comparing the three, the nutritional value varies. Turkey has slightly fewer calories, but the guinea fowl has the highest protein count.